Welcome to the UNBOX platform demo. This is the easiest and the most powerful business model to develop an income today. And by the end of this demo, we're pretty sure you'll agree. After selecting the appropriate platform level, you can create your account in under 60 seconds. Once in, you can view all the available opportunities on the Business Centers page in your UNBOX account. From the highest quality consumable and household products to in-demand services from professionals, you can retail any of these products and services without ever worrying about fulfillment or purchasing them yourselves, and simply collect commissions and margins in profit. Some of the most popular categories include natural supplements like CBD products and essential oils, to services such as payment management for local businesses, legal services, and many others. This is very different from the typical retail or e-commerce business, where you have to deal with sourcing products, testing market, and put up capital to manage products. There are no minimum purchases for any of these product or service types, and you are never required to stock anything yourself. Every billing cycle, UNBOX members receive a fixed cash stipend called UNBOX Points, which can be used to print gift cards for the products and services inside the platform. The available points, which have a conversion rate to dollars of 1-to-1, are visible on your gift card printer and wallet pages. For example, in this account, we have 285 points, which means we can create $285 worth of gift cards and incentives. You can use these incentives personally for your own purchases, or can share these gift cards with others. This makes UNBOX Platform one of the only systems of its kind, since each seller account receives a higher value in UNBOX points than their costs every month. This makes this a business model that is profitable from the day you begin. Creating a gift card is as easy as selecting the type of gift card you wish to generate, choosing a template, filling in any related information, and creating a unique redemption code. As you can see, the entire process takes under 30 seconds, and you now have literal money to give away to anyone you'd like. When someone uses the gift cards generated from your account, you will receive commissions on any services and goods they procure with those cards. You can, quite literally, give out products and services in the form of gift cards and get paid to do so. A good example is this case study. We had a $15 gift card printed and shared by an UNBOX user on social media. This gift card was then used towards an order that was purchased from the product supplier. The UNBOX platform user had no costs, no fulfillment, and no customer support to deal with. Just through giving away this gift card, they received a $17 margin or commission. Finally, you have the Salesforce section. This is where you can develop your own network of Salesforce within the UNBOX platform. Doing so is as easy as sharing your unique link with others. Like with other products, you can also share gift cards towards UNBOX platform setup fees, making the process of building your network literally as simple as sharing a gift. Depending on your subscription level within UNBOX, you even have a full-featured hands-free sales system on your fingertips. Just click on the follow-up automation section, enter some basic details, and you now have follow-up messages going out on your behalf. This eliminates the need for any third-party tools or systems, such as autoresponders and landing page creators. Building a business has never been easier thanks to the UNBOX platform. No shopping carts to set up, no websites to manage, no products and inventory to stock, and making sales is as easy as literally gifting cash cards to others. All you have to do to get started is to select the right platform level for you, create your account, and you can be off to a profitable business in under 3 minutes. Welcome to UNBOX, the most powerful business concept since the advent of e-commerce.